In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change status of your tasks in ClickUp. Statuses in ClickUp are the simplest way to show where work stands, keep your team aligned, and trigger the right follow-ups. Whether you're moving something from planning to doing or closing out a finished task, updating the status keeps everything clean and trackable. I'll walk you through the exact flow, add context so it makes sense, and share a few tips to help you avoid common hiccups. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're in the correct workspace. If you collaborate across multiple workspaces, glance at the workspace name at the top to confirm you're in the right place before you continue. Next, choose your space. A space is the top-level area where related work lives, usually organized around a team, department, or major initiative. On the left sidebar, click the space that contains the tasks you want to update. If you don't immediately see it, collapse and expand the sidebar sections, or use the search bar to quickly locate the right area. Picking the correct space matters because each space can have its own set of statuses and workflow stages. Now head to Lists within that space. In ClickUp's hierarchy, lists are where specific tasks sit, often grouped by project, sprint, or topic. Navigate to the relevant list so you can see the tasks laid out. If your space uses folders, open the folder first, then select the list inside it. At this point, you should see the tasks in your chosen list, along with their key fields like assignee, due date, and status. Under each task title, look for the status pill. It's a small label, often color-coded, showing something like to do, in progress, review, or done. Click that status to open the status menu. Then select the new status that best reflects the task's current stage. The change applies immediately, no need to save, so you'll see the new label as soon as you make your selection. If you notice a different set of status options than you expected, remember that statuses are configured at the list or space level. That's normal, and it helps tailor workflows to different teams. If a needed status is missing, check with the person who manages your space settings. That's all there is to it. Open ClickUp, choose the correct space, go to the right list, and change the status directly beneath the task title. Keeping statuses current ensures dashboards, reports, and automations stay accurate, and it also keeps your teammates informed without extra messages. Happy organizing and keep your tasks moving forward.